Perfect form, perfect function. That's a truly balanced equation for an ideal bike design. The Motion carbon fiber bike features a carbon fiber integrated, non-wrinkle shaped mountain bike design. Its clean lines are a result of the vacuum molding method that we use to ensure that both the inner and outer carbon material details are tightly molded, dense, and perfectly shaped and executed. Weighing less than 10 kilograms, this is a bike that you'll be easily able to lift with one hand. Good flexibility and easy maneuverability in cities and streets. We ride on plank roads, green roads, and shuttle freely among the pedestrians. Lighter also means faster, which is what made us design the Motion carbon fiber bike with an SRAM SX12 speed dial, 1x11 and 1x12. We need to rest anytime, anywhere, take pictures, and see the beautiful scenery. An elegant, modern, and sophisticated form is backed by an outstanding set of functions. A stable and wind-resistant bike that has an ultra-hard and durable, yet flexible frame, ultralight technology, and the capacity of making you feel like you're riding a fast, safe, and stylish two-wheeled feather. All-terrain tires, multi-surface tire set to ride safely and smoothly on-road and off-road. Whether you are riding uphill or the beach, you only need to quickly switch variable speed and you can effortlessly ride easily. If you want to stay on the move, taking your bike with you when you can't ride it, Motion makes it unbelievably light and easy to do it. Flexible mobility allows you to shuttle through any forest trail. Smooth riding, improved carbon fiber-based shock absorption features for better riding comfort. Oil brake braking is safe and stable. Compared with standard settings, as a system, the resistance can be reduced by 20 grams. In other words, since the cables are completely routed inside the bicycle, the appearance is as smooth as running water.